how to download AutoCAD in your laptop. First of all, open any browser and go to that website. I will provide you the website link in the video description. When you click on, then you will see this type of screen. Then click on sign in option. When you click on sign in option, here you will see this type of screen. And if you have already account, then put your email and then click on next. And now I am creating a new account, then click on create account. When you click on create account, here you have to put your first name, last name, email, confirm email, and put your password. Then click on I agree and click on create account. Now I have put it my details, then I am clicking on create account. When I click on create account, my account creation will start it and it will take few minutes. And after that, you will see this type of screen. Then you have to go to your mail and you have to click on verify. Now I have opened my mail, then have received this type of mail, then click on that and then click on verify email. When you click on verify email, your account will be created. Then you have to put your mail there and then click on next. When you click on next, then put the password which you have select on account creation. Then click on sign in. When you click on sign in, your account will be signed in your laptop. Then you can save password and after that check this box and then click on done. When you click on redirecting, your account will be verified, and then you will see AutoCAD option, AutoCAD for Windows, AutoCAD for Mac. And if you want to for Windows, then click on select. After that, then click on select. When you click on select, then from here select your student and educator. I am selecting student. Then after selecting the student, you have to give your personal details and then select your education role. I am a student, I will select that. Then put your date of birth. I am putting my date of birth. After that, after putting your date of birth, then click on continue. When you click on continue, you have to give your add school information. I am selecting my school information. I am in Pakistan, then I will select Pakistan. After that, give your address and I am putting my address. Then click on, then put peak, and my city is also Lahore, and that you have to put your postal. And my postal code is that, and if you don't know your postal code, you can search according to your city and then select your institute name, and from here name of your school. I am just my school. Then put your school website. I am just putting for sample and then click on information is accurate and matches identification provided by, and after that click on continue. When you click on continue, you have to put your educational information. Then click on add attachment, and when you click on that, you have to put your school ID from there. Then click on continue. When you click on continue, your account will be created, and after that you have to click on submit. And keep in mind, this is 1 year term subscription for AutoCAD. When you click on submit, then you will see this type of screen. Then you will receive email on your mails and you will be able to download your AutoCAD